How to leave a Life 360 circle. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, launch your Life 360 application and then tap on this gear icon settings. Then tap on circle management. Here you will see all the circles that you have been joined to. Then here is an option called leave circle. Simply tap on yes and you successfully left the circle. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.